Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Popkum, a small community in the eastern part of the Fraser Valley in British Columbia. It is located just off the Trans-Canada Highway, right next to Bridal Veil Falls and a short drive from Chilliwack. Surrounded by forests, farmland, and mountain views, Popkum is a peaceful place with easy access to nature. The name Popkum comes from the Halkom Islam language spoken by the local Stolo people. It means puffballs, which are a kind of fungus that once grew in large numbers in the area. The name reflects the deep connection between the land and the First Nations people who have lived here for thousands of years. Popkum grew slowly as farms, homes, and small businesses were built over the years. Today, it is best known for outdoor attractions like Bridal Veil Falls, the nearby adventure park, and hiking trails. Even though it is close to the highway, Popkum remains quiet and surrounded by nature, making it a special place to stop and explore. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Popkum, British Columbia.